Number 1, who is this? Number 2, I live in city. Number 3, no, I think we haven't talked before. Number 4, I study in class. Number 5, don't make me fool. Number 6, I am only your workmate from the office. Number 7, what do you study? Number 8, what's up? Number 9, you can make a phone call. Number 10, I am from Lahore. Number 11, yes we do. Number 12, how are things? Number 13, I texted you but you didn't reply me. Number 14, where do you live? Number 15, where can I call you? Number 16, are you talking to someone else? Number 17, also share with your friends. Number 18, where were we? Number 19, have we ever talked before? Number 20, yes please. Number 21, convey my message to him. Number 22, where are you from? Number 23, signal the poor, make a phone call. Number 24, do we know each other? Number 25, you should have left a voice message. Number 26, where have you been? Number 27, I cannot type message today. Number 28, your status is awesome. Number 29, do not text, I will block you. Number 30, if you are busy we can talk later. Number 31, I cannot see your DP. Number 32, make it snappy. Number 33, not much, how about you? Number 34, can I call you please? Number 35, how are you doing? Number 36, wait a minute. Number 37, do you have bad network? Number 38, I am fine. Good, alright, great. Number 39, why are you replying me late? Number 40, good, how? Or what about you?